A for apple. Apple means shape. B for ball. Ball means गेंद. C for cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D for dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E for egg. Egg means अंडा. F for fish. Fish means मछली. G for grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. H for hen. Hen means मुर्गी. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. Kite means पतंग. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means बंदर. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for owl. Owl means उल्लू. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rose. Rose means गुलाब का फूल. S for sun. Sun means सूरज. T for telephone. T for telephone. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.